So you want to check different text value. That's where switch on string comes in. Instead of using multiple branch nodes, you can run logic directly off a string match. Now, how to call it first? So to call it, you can use switch on string like this, and you can use it. And I will remove it because we already have one now. And I will connect even tick execution pin. Now you can connect whatever you like. But for now, this will do because we are making a tutorial. Now I will put as many or add as many pin as I like. For now, I'm going to use 3 of them. And for the selection part, I'm going to promote it to variable. You can directly type your value here. But for the tutorial purpose, again, I'm going to use it. Now it have very different use case scenarios, which I'm going to tell later in the video. First, let's do it print string. Yeah, print string. And then I will set this value. Let's take it from here and set the value to, let's just say run. And then we will just copy and paste and paste and paste. Now why I did it? Let me show you. We will just, put all this here to make it look nice, a bit nice actually. So we will just connect this one here, this one here, and default one, unlike the other part we did on switch on int, this have a major role because it's actually gonna compare. Even that is going to compare, but this is very serious because if you miss, it's very sensitive. If you misplace any character, it won't work and it will just print the default value. So to make sure we don't mess up, we need to do this. Now, how do it compare? What do it compare it to? So for this, what we will do in this, we will type run. Then we will type no, we should go from here. We should type start. We should type run, and we should type stop. And in case it nothing matched, you should type no match found. And in every other scenario, just connect it to this. Whatever value it may hold, it will print. So we can see it very easily, and we will just do this. And in these values, we will type it also like run. No, it should be like stop here because run is before this. So be very careful when using this. And then it should type in nothing so that it will won't match. And then it will type it start. No misprint. Remember that. And you can choose it to be case sensitive or not. And I will just leave it here because we are making too many faults. We can't trust ourselves in this case. So I just compiled it. And for starting value, I will just put nothing, because it will say no match found, and then it will save its start, then it will start matching. So, and we also put a delay node because it will go too fast and we won't be able to read it. So now it should work actually. Let's check it. So as you can see, it's saying no match found, then start, then run, then stop, then again no match found. So our this map is actually working. Our this code is working. So it is very useful when using a dialog command, a console input on menu logic. It's super useful. So I hope you understand this very well, because if you have any questions regarding this, you can just comment down below. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.